Welcome to Plaza de Armas in Cusco. We are in Cusco. We're at an elevation of 3,300 meters with a population of about 600,000 that live inside Cusco. Absolute beautiful city. It's a city of churches. It's also the gateway to Machu Picchu. So, hey, let's have a look around.
The avenue or the Sun Avenue. This is the most. Look how cool the traffic lights are.
This road is Cuesta de San Blas, which San Blas is a suburb, a very beautiful suburb. So you take this hill up here and it's actually really beautiful. Have a look at it.
The biggest corner.
This is ceviche.
Ceviche, tuna ceviche.
So tuna ceviche.
And the tuna ceviche.
And the tuna ceviche.
And do they look like? Yes, that's
Okay, so we've chosen to come into Cusco to eat some local stuff. All right. So now we've come to a place called Mr. Koi, where a few of our people are trying the local delicacy, which is guinea pig.
Oh my god, it's so guinea pig.
So we will show you the guinea pig. Okay, that's the guinea pig.
Yes.
And have a look at all of the.
Crispy back. Yes. You to turn them around. Fried guinea pig.
Can we have a photo of the
Oh yes. Give it a.
Okay, guys.
Oh wait. I don't want to be in the background of these.
Okay, this is a local delicacy called guinea pig.
Look at its face.
This is the San Pedro market in Cusco. It's very popular. So yeah, because it's Easter Saturday at the moment, so there's markets everywhere around Cusco at the moment. It's such a beautiful city, full of churches, very religious, very nice, really nice setting. Like landing here was great. You're flying through the mountains into Cusco and absolutely beautiful. And yeah, like I said, markets everywhere, but yeah, really cool.